Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. And if you want to set up your QuickBooks online, then this video is for you. So QuickBooks is a tool that can help you in your daily task management, financial tracking, and manage your team. And also you can discuss about anything you want on your business. Totally in short sentence, you can handle your small businesses to your medium-sized businesses. Also, QuickBooks offers some enterprise levels or advanced level plan that is actually proficient for handling a large size of business. So first, if you want to set it up, so you have to do is buy one of these plan from here. So there is a simple start and essentials and plus here and also advanced. So for setup, they must require to purchase a plan, or you can try QuickBooks for a 30 days free trial. So you can simply click on 30 days free trial and you can select a plan what you want to get a free trial. For example, I want this one, the simple start. So simply click on select plan. Now you have to do is simply choose your location from here. So this offer is not available for your business location. Please update your business location or check out products designed specifically for your country. So in USA it is not available, right? Sorry for that here. Let me show you. So I have choose a country from here. For example, I have choose a country from here, like your subscription, where you can find buy now. You can go with the buy now. That is right now they have just offering a sale, like you can save up to 90% off for 3 months. Now also you can go with a billing period like monthly and simply click on continue. So once you have click on continue, you have to create an Intuit account. So that for that you have to do is simply add your email address, your first name, your last name, your password, and a phone that is most recommended for verification. So they will send you a code quickly for verify it's you. A standard call or SMS rates may apply. So you can select your country code from here and add a phone number. So after adding a phone number, you have to add the password from here. Then simply click on one step more. Then the third step is checkout. Now at that point you have to add a payment method like your credit card or your debit card. So you can add your credit card or debit card with your cardholder name, your card number, your CVV or CVC, the security code, and the expiration date, and also the billing address. So once you have filled up all of this on the checkout, you will be able to purchase the plan or experience it for 30 days free trial. So once you have get this trial from here, you will be able to set it up easily like this dashboard. It is pretty quick, and they will also give you a tutorial how you can set it up, and there's each and every tool are effective for manage or handling a business. So that's pretty much all thing. Hope you found this video helpful, and that's how you can set it up, the QuickBooks online easily after purchasing the plan. Thanks for watching. Till next time.